Hey everybody, I'm Mayor Norris. It's August 21st, it's Friday, and have you heard the rumor that Wall Street landlords are on the run? That much and more as we explore the biggest headlines in real estate. TransUnion says mortgage delinquency rates are down 20% year over year. Sales on residential homes remain at their highest in 7 years, despite being 3.2% lower month over month. The National Association of Realtors reported existing home sales increased last month by 2% to 5.59 million. However, home sales in California actually decreased 4% in July after an unexpected June increase. 30-year rates of mortgages are at 3.93% and 15-year rates are at 3.15%. The National Association of Home Builders reported builder confidence now stands at 61, and that's the highest it's been since November of 2005. And if you were around at that period of time, you know that it wasn't just confident, it was downright cocky. Builders are beating analyst expectations, and stores like Home Depot have increased earnings. So you're going to want to make sure to tune in when we have our radio interview with Eileen Reynolds. She's on our I Survive Real Estate panel, but also chair of the California Building Industry Association, so don't miss that. Ever thought of a career in mortgage origination? Well, boomers are retiring and the incentives are looking pretty good as mortgage companies struggle to fill vacancies with qualified individuals. Some companies are actually recruiting at the high school and local college level, and the Bureau of Labor Statistics expects 77,000 new positions to be added in the next 5 to 6 years. And this is really interesting because last year in I Survive Real Estate, the Mortgage Bankers Association was actually expecting a contraction of jobs in that field. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. The Federal Housing Finance Agency released its final ruling on the future housing goals of Fannie and Freddie for 2015 to 2017. Overall, FHFA wants to increase low-income rental units available, as well as slightly increasing low-income home purchases. A little more effort will be spent targeting low-income specific tracts, as well as refinancing owner-occupied properties. Wall Street landlord companies like American Homes for Rent, American Residential Properties Inc., Silver Bay Realty Trust Corp., and Starwood Waypoint Residential Trust are discovering it's not so easy to be a landlord. Their stock prices have dipped and are trading below the value of their underlying assets and below their initial public offering. It appears they are struggling to persuade investors that they can operate efficiently as expenses remain unpredictable and all over the place, especially considering their houses are all over the place. Will people turn to the good old apartment REITs in 2015 and 2016? I guess we'll have to wait and see the next few quarters of financial reports. That's it for the headlines this week. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to read a lot more headlines, go over to our blog at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. Upon the radio show this week, we start our I Survive Real Estate pre-show radio interviews. So from now all the way to I Survive Real Estate coming up October 16th, we'll be interviewing industry leaders from all over the place. Some will have been on our panel in the past and we just couldn't fit them on the stage this year. But this week we start with Rick Sharga. He is, of course, with auction.com and has been on the panel in numerous positions over almost since the beginning. Don't miss that. October 1st, we'll be doing the 2015 Inland Southern California Economic Forecast. Bruce Norris will be moderating a panel of the two CEOs of Riverside and San Bernardino counties. October 16th, we are almost sold out. I think there's only about 10 to 20 seats left. Go to iSurviveRealEstate.com to see the awesome lineup of speakers that we've got and all the amazing sponsors who helped us sell out in record time. It's always a big awesome event. This is our 8th year, and with your help, we've already raised over $550,000 since 2008, and all the proceeds, 100%, since we pay for the event, 100% actually goes to Make-A-Wish and St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. So check that out. For more information on our hard money loans, check out thenorrisgroup.com. We've got fix and flip, buy and hold, and new construction private lending opportunities to help get your projects done. Or if you're looking for more passive opportunities, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. With that, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.